Here at Lloyd Land Rover in Carlisle, we are proud to present this Land Rover Discovery Dynamic HSE finished in the very stylish Varesine Blue. It's a 3-litre diesel, does provide a huge amount of practicality, style and comfort throughout, and it's sitting on those stunning 22-inch gloss black alloys, working perfectly with the rear privacy glass. Showing you the practicality of the vehicle now, it is a 7-seater. The rear seats can be lowered nice and easily to provide a huge amount of boot space there. No trouble fitting luggage, shopping or prams in. Got the Meridian surround sound system sounding fantastic throughout the vehicle. Very well presented dashboard there as well. And it does come equipped with a fixed front and rear panoramic sunroofs, and you have got the ebony leather interior. Taking a seat inside, you've got ease of access to a navigation system as well as your 3D surround camera, ensuring full confidence when getting into those tight spaces. Does work in hand with your parking aid as well. Ease of access to a huge range of other features. These do include your climate front seats, perfect for use all year round, and you have got the heated rear seats function there as well, keeping the rear passengers nice and warm. Huge range of other features on there as well. And for more information regarding this vehicle, please give us a call on 01228 599 000. Thank you.